Donor support has allowed me to focus more on my studies while I've been at Fisher. So being able to really commit myself to my education and being able to take that extra time outside of the classroom to devote myself to student involvement in organizations that have really enhanced my experience here.
At Fisher, I've been able to develop myself both personally and professionally in the classroom and my experience outside of the classroom as well, thanks to donor support.
As a recipient of a scholarship, I've been able to pursue my graduate education without going into thousands of dollars in student loan debt. As a result, I've been able to focus all of my attention on my studies so that way I can succeed within the classroom and even outside the classroom as I pursue a full-time job after I graduate.
I currently have 2 scholarships from Fisher alumni, and with that, I've been able to develop my leadership skills as well as my analytical thinking. So thanks to donors for making a difference in my life and for all the support that they give to the Fisher College of Business.
Whether it is the innovative programs or the hands-on workshops, or whether it is those transformative scholarships, donors such as you are making an incredible difference in the lives of our students. In turn, we equip them with the skills, the spirit, and the experience that will distinguish them from business leaders in the world. Thank you for the support that is making this possible.